Hey guys, this is Rohan again from SpikeROAS, and I'm here to help you to take on a ride with me to understand the fundamental aspects of a campaign to consider if you are not getting any clicks. So, let's say your new pay-per-click account is structured, the keywords are loaded, and ad copy is optimized. You activated your Google Ads campaign with great expectations, and then nothing. No spend, no impressions, no clicks. Well, well, this can happen with anyone, and you don't have to worry about it. So chances are there is one issue in your account that is preventing your ad text from appearing in the search results, but there are several possible reasons why your ads aren't showing in Google. Let's move ahead to check all possible options. So the first and most important reason of all the options we'll be looking at is the first option. The first important option is your campaign or your ad group or your ad copy or keywords are paused. So this is the very important signal. If it is paused at any level, at campaign level or ad group level, this is ad group level. Here comes the keyword level. If let's say, for example, all the keywords are paused here, and let's say if all the keywords are paused in all the ads are paused, then your ad will not run. So there's a fundamental element for any campaign or ad group is to active or versus paused status. It may seem very intuitive, but make sure your campaign and ad group are set to active. This is the most important step out of all the other options for the budget to spend and bring the clicks. Okay, so let's move ahead with the second option. Second option is a very important option to consider, which is bid strategy. Let's see how you can go there. Let's go on the campaign level. We are at the campaign level. We are going in this campaign, clicking on settings. This is the basic settings where you choose the options, where you choose a goal, right, where you choose a network. So you can choose in this network partners also where your ad will be visible there, but it's recommended not to choose because a lot of money can be wasted. Location, language, budget, and here's the bid. Okay. So if you have just created a fresh account and a new campaign, I would recommend you to not bid for conversions or CPA, any of the automated strategies. So we can see here all the automated strategies, right? And there, and then there are two strategies which will help you bring clicks. This is because your account has zero conversion data on which campaign cannot optimize. The first step would be selecting the options which will bring clicks. It could be manual CPC or maximize clicks. I would recommend you to go with manual CPC and keep a control on the maximum amount you want to give for a click and see on your own how much particular keywords may cost you. I have seen that with automated strategies, a lot of new advertisers face the problem of budget getting exhausted so soon. So it is important that you should go with automated strategies at least after 2 weeks of data in the system, where campaign can then start optimizing automatically. So there are chances if you have selected maximize conversions or target ROAS or target CPA or something like that, there are chances that system will not run. System will prevent. Let's go again back to all campaigns level. And the next option, which is also very important, and if that is the problem, your ad is not going to run. The option is disapproved ads. If your ads are disapproved. So let's go in the ads level. We are inside the ad group level. Ad group has keywords as well as ads. So here we have ads which is active, right? So this is now very system oriented. Google is going to always tell you that poor ad strength if you're not adding the exact keywords which you are bidding on in the ad copy. Okay, but why the ad get disapproved? Your ads will be disapproved if the ad text does not adhere to Google's ad text policy. You can manually check and ad approvals in Google Ads by clicking into the Ads tab for your campaign and checking the status column. The status column will let you know if your ads is approved or disapproved. If the ad is not approved, then you can just contact to Google service providers or customer care. They will let you know why the ad got disapproved. Okay. So moving down to the next option. Next option would be your disapproved keywords. So disapproved keywords, you can keywords majorly you can see keywords basically you can see from ad groups or ad group level. So inside ad groups there are keywords, right? And why the keywords can go disapproved, why the keywords can get disapproved, right? So keywords can get disapproved because Google Ads also reviews and approves your campaign keywords. Google Ads does not permit advertising products and websites related to firearms, drugs, cigarettes, pornography, hard alcohol, fireworks, and more. Like ad approvals, keywords approvals can be checked in the interface by clicking into the keywords tab and checking the status column of the ad in the question. So for example, here is the status column. If any of the keywords is disapproved, you'll get to know from here. Okay. Moving down to the next option, it's negative keywords. Now, before you start a campaign, if let's suppose there are chances on there are certain things where you don't want your ad to be shown, right? So let's say I'm a performance marketing agency. I don't want the ad should be shown for performance marketing guide or performance marketing um, element, something like that. So I'm at ad group level. Here's the keywords. So here's negative keywords. Let's say if I have added this here, performance marketing guide, performance marketing tool. Let's say I've added these two keywords as negative keywords. So here, as these keywords are in broad match, it will negate all the keywords which have performance word in their phrase. So it is always important to select the right match type to eliminate unwanted keywords. If this could be a possible reason for which your ads may not be showing on the keywords where you are bidding. You have to change the match type to exact match. In this case, if anyone is exactly searching like this, then our ads are not going to show them. Okay, let's move ahead and look for another option for which your ads may not be showing up. So the next option is you have less search volume on your keywords. Let's take a look at it where you can look where you can see So in the status, you can see this keyword is hardly shown. The ad is hardly shown on this keyword because there's very low search volume. If such kind of things is very high on all the keywords you have, then your ad may not show, and then your ad may not show anytime. So low search volume could be another reason your ads are not getting any impressions. Then you can check if your account's keywords have low search volume by clicking into the keyword section and checking the status column. If your keywords are suffering from low search volume, you should take a look at Keyword Planner for a related keywords that will have a higher search volume. Moving ahead, and there could be one more option which is also very important to look at, is your bid and your budget. So let's say if your keyword bids may be too high for your daily budget. For example, if your keyword max cost per click is, let's say, $4 and your campaign daily budget is only 10, then Google will not show your ads. If this is the case, just lower the bids or increase your daily budget. In my experience, I would recommend that your budget should be at least 5 times more than your bid. So let's say, for example, if your bid is $2, then your budget should be at least $10. Then only it makes sense, and not exactly sense, I would say, but yeah, I have seen in lot of account that system doesn't actually help bring the clicks. So that is the important factor. The last option which I would say which is important to look at is billing information. Any kind of problem, if there's any kind of payment or card issues, your ad will not show, and that is the important factor to look at, to consider, because without proper integration of card or the payment, the ads are not going to run. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and look forward to catching up soon, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.